Hello, welcome to CV1 General 2, Unit 55, Antiques and Auctions. In this unit, we are going to look about antiques and auctions. You will learn to use sentences, conditional sentences, in which you use the words if and unless. The communicative objectives in this unit are, first of all, to talk about hypothetical events in the past, present, and future, and to talk about buying and selling. And finally, describe an antique or valuable object. Okay, here we go. It is very common to find valuable objects such as paintings and sculpture in a sell-out or in an auction. Let's observe some useful words for describing these objects. For describing materials: wood, glass, cloth, silver, gold, ceramic, clay, or stone. Here we have some examples: a wooden figure, a glass plate, a cloth bag, a silver bracelet, a gold necklace, a clay or ceramic vase, a stone bowl, Now, let's observe the following vocabulary that it's common it's common to listen in an auction. Auction, bidding, bidder, bid, auctioneer, countdown. For talking about hypothetical events in the past, present, and future, we must use conditionals. The first conditional, we are going to form it with if plus simple present plus simple future. It is used when a situation is real or possible. Example: if it rains today, I'll stay home. Here we have some other examples. We are going to use first of all the if clause, that is the condition, and the main clause, that is the result. The structure is if plus present tense, will, can, may, must, plus verb. Example: if it rains, I'll stay home. Okay, here we are. Second conditional. It refers to a hypothetical situation, and it is formed among the structure if plus past plus simple conditional. Here you have some translated examples. The structure is if clause plus main clause. The condition plus the result. The structure is if plus past simple plus would, could, might plus verb. Here we are the example. If I won the lottery, I would travel around the world. Third conditional. Third conditional, or also type 3, refers to a hypothetical situation in the past, and it is formed as the structure is if plus past perfect plus conditional perfect. Here we have some translated exercises, but first of all, the structure. If clause or condition and main clause or result. If plus past perfect tense plus would, could, might have plus past participle. Example, if I had won the lottery, I would have traveled around the world. Okay, let's continue. Unless means the same as if plus not. The same as if, unless is followed by a verb in present, past, or past perfect, never by a conditional. Unless is used instead of if plus not in conditional sentences of all the types. Example, you will be sick if you don't stop eating. You'll be sick unless you stop eating. If he wasn't very ill, he would be at work. Unless he was very ill, he would be at work. I wouldn't have bought it if it hadn't been so cheap. Or the same meaning, I wouldn't have bought it unless it had been so cheap. Here we have a mistake. Let's mark it. It's I wouldn't have bought it unless, this is the error, it had been so cheap. Okay, this you is a subject that we don't need. All right, well, thank you for watching this video. We hope it has been useful for you. If you have some more doubts, contact your tutor or your monitor. Don't forget to work with the exercises and activities in the platform. Meet you at your conversation class.